Hey guys, so this is my 328i. This is a 2012, but I believe it's the f30. So kind of like the 2013 models. This was late 2012. So I've run into an issue with my car and I can't really figure it out. I got a bunch of codes, and the codes are kind of really generic, right? Like they point to multiple sources. I'm not understanding how they code the car. I'm not too big of a mechanic, so sorry if I sound silly. I really like for you guys to help me diagnose what's going on here. I'm about to start the car, and so just a little context. So I was driving down the street. I must have been doing maybe 45, 50. I don't know if I accelerated or not. I don't think I was trying to punch it by any means. And then I suddenly got a drivetrain malfunction. So then the car stopped abruptly, and then I couldn't get the car to restart. Upon trying to restart it, the car would kind of shake kind of violently. So of course I stopped. I got it towed to the house, and then now I'm at this point. Then this is after I've reset the battery because I saw that might make the malfunction go away. I thought it was a misfire and that it would correct itself, but now the car is not starting. So this is where I'm at right now. And I apologize for the camera quality. I've broken my camera. But see, the car just won't turn over at this point. And so this, and now it just finally just gives up. And it's done this every time. The last few times I tried to reset the battery again as well, to no avail. Prior to this, I was having like a rattling noise. It almost sounded like metal clanking coming from my back rim. So I thought it was actually my wheel bearing, and I was actually going to get that fixed. But before I could get that fixed, and it was pretty loud, I won't lie, before I could go get that fixed, on the way there, this occurred. So I'm not sure if the two are related. I did want to give you the context. I really need some help, guys. Don't know what the hell is going on. I'm miserable at the thought of how much I'm gonna have to pay to get this all fixed. So if you guys could just point me in the right direction, I'll just bang this shit out myself. My guess is that it's the fuel pump. I'm thinking maybe it's the high pressure fuel pump, and I looked at some videos. It looks pretty easy to do. So if you guys could just tell me if you have some other thoughts on what it could be, I really appreciate it. I'm gonna do one more go here. Just let you see. Crank, 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 crank. And it's never gonna turn over, so I'm just gonna give her a break. Really appreciate any help you guys could provide. I'm gonna take it out to BMW soon here. But if I could get something from you guys, so I could just handle it myself instead of letting those pirates rob me, I really appreciate it, guys.